shoulders. So I like to just get this one. It kind of just releases that one. Just, oh my gosh, it undoes everything I've done throughout the week with this little nice release pose. There's actually like a fancy way to do it. So you're supposed to go up and then through. I don't want to teach you bad habits.
I didn't even see what you did, but okay, let's thread it.
Yes, that's it. You just thread it and stay. This one has to be one of my favorites. I saw a girl recently, she did the thread the needle and like flipped into another type situation. Like she like started up, she went into a thread the needle and then turned, but made it look so nice.
That's cute, and it like flowed. It looked like
I don't know if I'm ready for that, but girl, me neither.
On the next episode.
How about headstands? How are you at headstands?
Can't do a headstand.
I can't either. I was just pulling your leg.
Oh, okay. Because I thought you were about to ask me. I'm like,
actually, let me try.
I mean, you know, I'll try my best.
I think you gotta like lock this. And then my little cousin, she can get headstands like in 2 seconds. Me?